Lab 5. Using the use head functionality to automatically deploy script changes. So we're logged into our Agility platform. We're going to navigate over to our designer perspective. And we're going to open up our internal 16 project. We're going to come down to our packages, hello world output. What we're going to do here is we're going to clone this, and we're going to clone it directly into our internal 16 project. We want to open that up, and we want to change it. And what we're going to do is we're going to change this to hello world formal output. And instead of head 2, we're going to change it to use head. Then we're going to save it. So now what we're going to do is check the script in. We've done this several times. OK into our internal project. We're going to accept the publication of this asset after viewing it. Approve it. And then close. Now we see down here in our task list, the package check-in, hello world formal output has completed its workflow. What we want to do now is create a new blueprint inside of our internal project, and we're going to call this our hello world blueprint. And we're going to save that. We go over to our blueprint folder, and we find our hello world blueprint, and we're going to create this. So we're going to come over to our workloads. We're going to pull over the 5.8 times 64 workload, and then on that package we are going to add the hello world formal output and the hello world output. Both of those packages now are sitting on our rel image 5.8 times 64. We're going to validate that. Everything is fine. Now we're going to deploy it. First we have to save it. Then we come over to our hello world blueprint and advanced deploy. We are going to deploy it in our internal 16 project. That is fine. It is going to deploy in US West 2A Oregon. It's on a micro image. Everything looks good. We are not going to change any script variables. So we'll just hit next. And at this point, we're taking a look at the workload, options, and where it's being deployed. Perfect. We're going to click deploy. Now, we're getting a confirmation message that the hello world blueprint was deployed successfully. And down in our task list, we also see that. Now we're going to go back into our actual, where is Hello World Blueprint? In our project 16, we're going to click on that, and then we are actually going to start it. It's going to ask me, do you want to start this virtual machine? Yes. You can see by drilling down that we're in a state of where it's starting. It's yellow. It will turn green when it's started. Status starting. Down here, again, it's pending.